So in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate a picture to speak, or how to make a picture speak using an AI tool. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create these talking pictures with realistic voice over. So what are we going to be learning? We'll learn how to create animated talking pictures using an AI tool, which you can monetize. What's the benefit? You have realistic animations and you have customizable voices and language. So because of the video, we're going to be visiting the website that's going to be provided in the description, where we're going to explore features like talking photo creations. There are other options, but I won't explain that in these videos. So we also have video to short conversion, and you have AI avatar material. That is, if you want to create avatars using this tool can help you do that. So what the step once you sign into the website, you're going to register with your email or your Gmail, and then you fill in your details. Apart from your some of the details you fill also include your usage type. Are you using it for personal purpose or marketing? What's your company size? You could choose personal in that case. And you will need to prepare your image. You can use Canva to either edit your image. If you want to edit your image on Canva, then you upload a photo on Canva. You can expand it using Magic Expand and save the picture as a PNG file. The next thing is you're going to have the option of imputing the desired text for your animation. So you have a place where you're going to type in your text for animation. You select the voice type, your language and your accent. Is it English, French, Arabic, etc.? The gender, the age. So is it a young, a middle age, or an old person? Then you now have the option to upload this information to the AI tool, which now generates the animated video, and you have the option to review the movement and the synchronization with text messages. So what are some of the optional features on this tool? You could use the AI image generator. It has an internal AI image generator that will help you to create the photos directly. And then you have the options of which sets the image dimension to 16 by 9 for YouTube compatibility. You also have the option of choosing styles like 3D cartoons or professional. Some of these are paid features. So let's log in to the platform. So as I mentioned earlier on, you can either use Google or you type in your email to sign up. In this case, I'm going to be using Google to do that. So I'll click on continue with Google, and I'll select one of my emails. When I select, I'll click on the continue button. So when I click on the continue button, it's going to load for me, and then you have options, and then I choose one of the options, and they give me the options of selecting, and I choose social media content as my option. So I want to create social media content, and so I'm going to choose that and click on. Then under the employee section, I choose self-employed. Under the kind of content platform, I choose YouTube as my platform, and I click on the continue button. So they tell me thank you. So you can join the Discord if you so choose. But because of this video, I'm just doing this. I'm not joining this creation tool. And so I'm going to choose the talking photo avatar. So you can see it's loading. I've chosen someone. The name of the person is called Addison. So that's the person I chose for the course of this video. And then we have the reference image. To make the video short, I clicked on here and uploaded a photo on upload the photo on my gallery. So I'll just scroll down and choose one photo. So I've selected a particular photo. I'm choosing the photo right now. So once I'm done, I like to upload or synchronize. And so once I've allowed it to upload, and for it to complete, I'll click the upload version and upload option. So having clicked the upload option, the next thing I do is to ensure that I enter the text to audio. What do I want my talking video to say? So I'm going to put it in that box. So in this place, I'm saying in this video, you will learn how to create powerful playlist on YouTube. You learn how to create powerful playlists on YouTube that will help your channel. So once I'm done with that, I will scroll down and click on generate. So at this stage, the process is actually running. So I'll allow it to run. It's going to take some time. Depending on the speed of your internet, it's going to take some time. Process is almost complete. So now the process is actually complete. Now that the process is complete, the next thing I will do is to test run what the AI tool has generated to see what it's going to give us.
In this video, you will learn how to create a powerful playlist on YouTube that will help your channel grow.
So you can see that what I typed in is what it has produced. So it says in this video, you'll learn how to create a powerful playlist that help your channel grow. I also have the option of selecting another avatar. So in this case, I said in this video, you learn how to create powerful playlists on YouTube that will help your channel grow. You will learn this in a step-by-step way. So I want to add in and create another image. So we are in the process right now. The language is English. I've selected male. I've selected age. Understand that some of these voices are paid, while some of them are free. Okay. I just went for a white male this time around, and I selected a white male to be as my voice over. If you look at the initial one, the voicing was a female. For this one, it's a male I chose. You can see where I chose the language. Then I'm scrolling down to check the one I'm going to choose. So at the end of the day, I just chose a white male. I think you can see if you want an African accent, you could see you could choose David, but since the white male in this case that I've chosen the AI picture model, so I'm going to be looking for a white male voice. So I've selected Jim as my voicing for this project. So Jim is a voicing that I selected for the talking avatar. So I go ahead and do an upload. Once I'm done, I will click on the download generate button. Can generate the talking avatar for me. So once I'm done with the process, I allow it to load. It's loading. And once the process is complete, the next thing is you're going to get the image.
In this video, you will learn how to
That is
create a
talking
powerful
avatar.
playlist on
So you
YouTube
can see how
that
it
will help
talks
your channel
clearly.
grow. You will learn this in a step-by-step way.
So you can see it is very realistic. Okay. So you can decide to go ahead and download the video. I've downloaded it and I want to open it up again to show that it is giving me what it needs to give me.
In this video, you will learn how to create a powerful playlist on YouTube that will help your channel grow. You will learn this in a step-by-step way.
Tips for success when using this platform. If it's for YouTube, always use this 16:9 images for better results on your YouTube. You can experiment with different voices and accents, and you can join the community Discord for inspiration. So understand that this AI tool idea is ideal for storytelling channels, e.g., African folktales, inspirational or AI generated news content. So go ahead and explore, create, and innovate. So if you enjoyed this video, I will encourage you to sign up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.